Hey, it's always cool when you get the sunglasses on. So, how are you all going? It's a warm Friday afternoon. It's my last day being 47 years old. Yeah, I'm 47. Don't act like it, I know. But I'll try and enjoy my life, you know. I think we all take seriously. Look, and I've got a lot of serious stuff going on in my life at the moment. Probably a bit too much, and doing my little drive videos, I'm having a bit of fun with traffic calming. It's fun, you know. It's just, I'm not really that serious. It's more about just creating some fun to watch, and that's what we all create videos for. That's why I did this channel, just so I can just do some general videos and boom home. Mostly they're not really for you. They're more for me than anything. It's just, sometimes people keep their thoughts and their feelings bottled in, and you don't have an outlet. I find doing videos an outlet for my creative side, just to do things. That's just what I enjoy. Also, just like where I am at the moment, I hate where I'm living, and which is why just about every day, depending on weather, but mostly every day, unless something else is planned, I'll go out for a drive, like I am right now. And quite often, I do the same drive. I go out to Thornside, drive along the water, end up at Wellington Point, go around there. Occasionally see something worthwhile recording, doing some video on, and I always take cameras with me, hopefully, to do something. But it's just a drive. Sometimes I'll just drive and not get out of the car at all, and I'm okay with that. I enjoy that. Just gets out of the house. Beautiful day like today. I'm finding myself stopping a bit more often than normal and going for walks, because I need to start walking and getting a bit more fit. I'm not as fit as I used to be. But yeah, that's why I do this channel. I'm not doing these YouTube videos to try and be YouTube famous, because I'm not going to be. Ever. I do them for me. And if anyone watches them, or Noswonky fists the video, that's really cool. You know, I like that. I like just one view, one comment, even if it's a fist. I like that. It's kind of interaction. So yeah. Anyway, enough of me babbling on. I'm going to turn the camera around and let's do some of these interesting comments. Like, I know there's a train line coming along, and I'm going to try and get a train. I know I've got a fascination with trains, haven't I? Round the corner's a railway line. I wonder if we'll see a train. One of these days a train will actually come along and I'll have a hissy fit. But that won't be today. Are we going to make it? Are we going to make it? Got a green arrow, got a green arrow. Can we make it? Oh, that's close, that's close. But we made it. Just! Yes! This is an interesting kind of traffic calmer. One you have to stop for people coming the other way. They're the worst kind of traffic calmers. Hey, look, it's a bus. When one caravan's not enough, oh yes, you get two. Check out the power lines on the right. They're like sail masts. Love the sign here, McDonald's, opening soon. The building hasn't even been built yet. I've got the feeling it's not going to be quite that soon. Good on you, riding your bike. Nice calm waters today. That's Wellington Point all the way over there. Let's go over there, huh? Let's go to Wellington Point. That's still a really cool old Chevrolet on the right hand side there. I don't think it's ever moved. Well, you know, another traffic calmer. Whee! The Australian flag. Guess what this is? If you guess traffic calmer, you are correct. Well done. Can you guess what this is? If you guessed the dolphin, you're wrong. It was a traffic calmer, dilly. That Porsche still hasn't been fixed. Would anyone like some Coca-Cola? Now we're at Wellington Point on the other side. Yay! Let's see if they remember. No, buddy, you don't give way to your left, you give way to your right. So this guy should give way to my right. That's how it's done. People out on the boats today. I wonder why. Oh, some pelicans out in the water. I suppose I better stop for them. I don't want to get blood on the car. Such a pretty view out there. On the left there's Oxley's. They've got a nice little restaurant and they've also got a really cool milk bar. Bye bye Wellington Point. This is not a dolphin, it is a traffic calmer. And there's the police. At least they're not after me. Cool Chevrolet again. Just put the 64 ND filter on. Let's see if this is any different. Want me to go that way? I got no food for you. Huh? Nothing for you, buddy. That's weird. You again. Walking along minding my own business, leaving the fucking home. That was bloody weird. Attacked by a bloody magpie. Not really attacked, it just kept on squawking at me. As if I was supposed to feed it or something. Fuck that shit. Well, that was fun getting attacked or harassed by a bloody magpie. It's a nice boat in the right. Pity they got all that shit there ruining the view. And look, there's a Porsche that's actually got its front end on. I suppose we better stop for them. This railway bridge is nice and colourful. Pity you can't see the train if it was coming along. Will the railway train come along? Come on, just once! Come along when I'm going underneath a bridge. I bet you come along after I've passed. Ain't that always the case? Sucks to be going the other way. I think I'll go left here. And let's go round the big roundabout, the big roundabout, the big roundabout. Hey, stop for me. Let's go around the big roundabout because I want to go home. Come on, mate, you can do it. You can get there. You can get there. You know what I also hate? Not just traffic cameras. Bloody speed humps on the main road. Ah, red light. Oh well. And of course this is the intersection where that young couple from Alex Hills died when that teenager lost control of his, or the stolen Land Cruiser. Rest in peace, guys. Very lovely couple they were. Come on, I want a green light. I want to go home. Have some lunch. Hey, green light. Let's go. Come on, hurry up. Get out of my way. Yes. Home. This home sucks. Yeah, shut up beeping at me. Gonna see beep though. Oh.